this is the video output of the project 1 of the e-commerce product listing site that I have named prod list. So this is the opening page of the site. I have named it home.html. It has a few description about the site, what it does, and also the products has been listed under these categories. So if I select the category men's clothing, it will show the products listed inside the category men's clothing. And up here we have an option to sort the products. We can sort the products according to the price or rating, and we can decide however we want, if you want low to high or high to low. So if I take this, the products will be listed from the range low to high. As we can see, it is the highest product with the highest price will be in the right side and left side. So if it had multiple columns, it will be down, and the product having the least price will be up here. So we can change the order if you want, and we can also select between the ratings. So highest rating product will be over here, the lowest rating product will be over here, same the other way. So let me add a product to the cart. So it will show a message with the title of the product added to the cart, and let me add this too. So it's basically the same options in every category, just the products will change, same sorting order also. So let me add this and this too. Same with the accessory category too, we can select the rating however we want, and the adding to the cart also is the same. So a few products are added. I think it's going to be enough, and there's an option here. So if we want to view the cart, so if I take it, it will show the products that I have added to the cart along with the picture and its price and the name too. So it has two options in the cart, either to clear or to check out. What the clear cart does is it will basically clear everything in the cart, and we can add new items to the cart. Sorry. And there's option to check out too. So basically, it has no function other than to clear the cart, but it can be modified to a transaction pair or something to users to pay for these products that he or she has added to the cart. So I'm just clearing the cart right now, so it shows it has been cleared. So if I want to check out with something, let me add a few items, and I'm going to check out. So now it will show that your cart is checked out, and it will clear it. But if it has been modified into a transaction page, it will take to like a bank site or something, or UPI something. So this is basically my first project. I have named it prod list, and it does the functions necessary for a product listing site.